This is Dr. Sarvesh Kumar, Assistant Professor, Faculty of Law and Governance, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today, I will discuss the composition of High Court and power, means jurisdiction and its function and related provision in Indian Constitution. High Court is a apex court from district and station court. There shall be a high court in each state as the government of India by notification to establish high court time to time. So firstly I want to discuss relevant provision related to high court under the Constitution of India. Firstly, I want to discuss Article 214 describes about there shall be a high court for each state, and Article 219 describe that high court to be court of record. Every high court shall be a court of record and shall have all the powers of such a court, including the power to punish for contempt of itself. And Article 216 describe that Constitution of High Court, every High Court shall consist of Chief Justice and such other judges as the President may from time to time deem it necessary to appoint. Appointment and condition of the judges of a high court. Every judge appointed by the president under his warrant and next provision which I want to discuss related power, means jurisdiction of the high court. Firstly, I want to explain oath and affirmation by the judge of a High Court. Every person appointed to be a judge of High Court shall before the enter upon his office subscribe or to take the oath before the governor concerned state and salary and allowances there shall be paid to the judge of each high court such as determined by parliament. Means the salary and allowances of the judge of high court prescribed by the parliament, means determined by the parliament as time to time think appropriate. So next provision I want to discuss about jurisdiction of the High Court under Article 226. Exclusive jurisdiction means exclusive right to issue the writs, to provide remedy by the writs, by through writs, mandamus, prohibition, certiorari, and quo warranto, habeas corpus, for the enforcement of the any right conferred by part third and for any other purpose. Means under Article 226 talks about the to provide remedy to the citizen or athwa for the enforcement of the rights mentioned under part third of the Indian Constitution. So that next provision related to High Court. I want discuss means High Court power to issue the writs, to provide appropriate remedy. So there is a concern about there is a provision related to High Court. Means next provision means next article 2031 talks about describe about establishment of common हाँ भैया, हाँ गेट पर हैं आप, हाँ हाँ, गेट पर पहुंचिएगा तब फोन कीजिएगा आप, ठीक। पेमेंट आज छुट्टी है, मैं आकर दे दूंगा ना सामने। आज छुट्टी है बोल रहा हूँ, पेमेंट गेट पर दे दूंगा आकर के। अरे बोल तो रहा हूँ, जब पहुंचिएगा तब फोन कीजिए, मेरा छुट्टी है आज, आ जाऊंगा गेट पर मैं, ठीक। हाँ ठीक। सो सो सॉरी टू से, सॉरी फॉर डिस्टर्बेंस, वी apologize for disturbance. I want to explain next provision related to High Court. Establishment of means Article 231 talks about establishment of a common High Court for two or more states, means notwithstanding anything contained in the prescribed provision of this chapter, Parliament by law establish a common high court for two or more states, and a union territory. And next provision related to High Court, Article 230 provide 200, sorry to say, and 230 provide that extension of jurisdiction of High Court to Parliament. Parliament have power to extend the jurisdiction of High Court to time to time. Here I have discussed the provision composition of High Court and jurisdiction under Article 214 and 215 and 226, which authorized to High Court power to provide complete justice to the citizen or for the enforcement of the fundamental right as mentioned part 3rd of the Indian Constitution, part 3rd of the Indian Constitution by the means of writ habeas corpus, mandamus, certiorari, quo warranto, and prohibition. I want to hear important thing about writs, means some writs, means writs which derived from common law. I want to explain explain writs one by one. Habeas, firstly, I want to explain something about habeas corpus. Habeas corpus means if any person illegally detained, then the court have power to issue order for the production of the person before the court, and court have jurisdiction to know on what grounds the person have detained, or the person who arrested, on what basis any person arrested by the police authority or other investigation agency, if illegally detained, then High Court to provide the remedy by the means of writ of habeas corpus, literally meaning the habeas corpus means have the body before the court, means physical presence of the victim before the court. So I have discussed and other writ mandamus. Mandamus means to issue the by the upper court to the lower court to do work in his jurisdiction and to follow the compliance, to follow the norms of the Indian Constitution, or to compliance the duty which was assigned by the Indian Constitution or other statutory authority or statutory body. And next writ habeas corpus mandamus and certiorari writ of certiorari can be issued on the ground of violation of natural justice. So I have explained today composition of means constitution of the High Court and its jurisdiction and writs which derived from common law for the providing justice to the citizen of India. Thank you, dear students. We will meet next session. Good luck.